Hygienic cooking. It is necessary to prevent germs from entering the body through the mouth. To do this, it is important to make sure that all cooking utensils, foods, water, and hands are clean. When you start preparing food, make sure to first properly wash your hands with soap. Wash all vegetables and fruit. If possible, peel these. Use clean knives and cutting boards to chop the food. Keep animal products separate from other foods. Use clean water for cooking. Wash your hands and your children's hands before eating. If food is left over, store it in a covered container in a cool place.